The one lady on the show, you know, as Saint Elizabeth Songbird.